What's up, pilots? Finding the absolute perfect motor for your quad can feel like a nightmare with so many options out there. But in here, you'll definitely find one you like. First up, let's talk about the heart of 5-inch quads, 2,207 motors. If you want that explosive throttle response and top-end speed, this is your jam. Check out the Mepsking 2207. This is built for pure 5-inch racing and freestyle. It's ultra lightweight, extremely durable, and offers snappy control when you're pulling hard turns. Number 2, the Neon 2207 V2 from Mepsking. Same 2207 format, but this thing is a freestyle monster. On a 2050 kilovolts with the SZ5145 props, it pushes 1,817 grams of thrust. That is 7.5% more than the first generation. Number 3, T-Hobby Pacer V3P, 2207. The 1,950 kilovolts hits 1,085 watts, runs on 6S, and the Unibel design with N52 arc magnets is tanky. T-Motor spent years building the Pacer line for a reason. This is their answer to pilots who destroy props and want a motor that just keeps spinning. Number 4, and we shift gears, the Mepsking Neon 2,810.28mm stator. 10mm stack, 67 grams. This is built for 7 and 8-inch cine lifters, X8 setups, and long-range rigs. There is a YouTuber who took these out, ran a 9,000 milliamp Li-ion pack, and hit 29.7 kilometers on a single battery. Number 5, T-Hobby Velox V2307 V2, 1,950 kilovolts. At 6S pulls 974 watts, and the 2,550 kilovolts is your 4S option. This is the motor you bolt on when you want that sharp, snappy bottom end that 2,207S sometimes miss. If you fly juicy and you want a hit of torque on every input, this is the one. Number 6, Pacer V3P 2306. The 2306 is one of the most popular freestyle stators in the world, and T-Hobby nailed it. 32 grams with cable, 4mm shaft, 3 KVs, 1 Unibel design, silver finish. Versatility is the name of the game here. Number 7, T-Hobby Velox V 2306 V 3.0. The budget-friendly cousin of the Pacer, but it punches way above its weight. That is racing territory. 33 grams, 5mm outer shaft, smooth throttle. If you want a no-nonsense freestyle motor under 25 bucks that will not quit, the Velox V 3.0 is the answer. And number 8, the heavyweight, T-Hobby F40 Pro V. This is T-Motor's racing pedigree in a 5-inch motor. Titanium alloy shaft, easy O bearings, raised prop lock. 1,950 kilovolts. Hits 1,354 watts. This is the motor for pilots who race competitively and need every last watt. Fly safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.